Sarah, what did you do last night?
I tried to do something good for my English. I watched an American movie.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. Sarah, I have a question. What did you do last night?
Oh, Adam, I tried to do something good for my English. I watched an American movie.
That sounds fun. Did you enjoy it?
No, it was a disaster.
A disaster? Why?
I didn't understand anything. They speak so fast, they use strange words. I felt completely lost.
Did you use subtitles?
Yes, but I was just reading. I was not listening. I felt stupid, Adam. Again.
Sarah, listen to me. You are not stupid. You just made a classic mistake.
A mistake? But everyone says watch movies to learn English.
Everyone is wrong.
What? Everyone is wrong?
Yes. For a beginner like you, watching a movie is the worst way to learn.
You are shocking me, Adam. Why?
Because of a secret scientific rule. It is called comprehensible input.
Comprehensible input. Those are very big words.
Don't worry, I will explain. Let's look at the first word, input.
What does input mean?
Input is information that goes into your head. When you listen to English, that is input. When you read a book, that is input.
Okay, so listening is input. What about the second word, comprehensible?
Comprehensible means understandable. It means you can understand the message.
So, comprehensible input means listening to things I understand?
Exactly. And this is the secret. There is a famous professor named Stephen Krashen.
Who is he?
He is a linguist. He studies how people learn languages, and he discovered something amazing.
What did he discover?
He said, we acquire language in only one way, when we understand what people tell us.
Only one way?
Only one. If you listen to English, but you don't understand it, it is just noise. It's like listening to the radio static. Shh.
That is exactly how I felt watching the movie. It was just noise.
Because the movie was not comprehensible input for you. It was too hard.
So the movie was too high for my level?
Yes. Imagine a ladder. You are on step 2, level A2. The movie is on step 10, native level.
Step 10?
Yes. Actors in movies speak fast. They use slang. They shout. They whisper. That is for native speakers.
So I am trying to jump from step 2 to step 10?
Exactly. And what happens when you try to jump that high?
I fall down.
Yes, you fall. You lose confidence. You think, I am bad at English, but really, the input was just wrong.
This makes so much sense. So what should I do? Should I listen to things that are super easy, like, hello, how are you?
No, that is too easy. If it is too easy, you don't learn anything new.
Okay, the movie is too hard, hello is too easy. What is the solution?
The solution is something Professor Krashen calls I+1.
I+1? Is this math? I hate math.
No, it is simple. I is your current level, what you know now. +1 is just a little bit more.
Ah, I see. So I need to listen to English that is my level plus a little challenge.
Perfect. You need to understand maybe 80% or 90%, and only 10% is new words.
Why is that better?
Because if you understand the story, the 90%, your brain can guess the new words, the 10%.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Imagine I tell you a story. I say, Sarah was very thirsty, so she drank a glass of water. Do you know the word thirsty?
If I don't know it, I can guess, because you said drank water, so thirsty must mean needing water.
Exactly. You guessed the meaning from the context.
Context? What does that mean?
Context means the situation around the word. Context, the story helps you understand the word.
I get it, but in the movie I didn't understand the story, so I couldn't guess the words.
Correct. In the movie, you understand 5%. The context is missing, so you learn nothing.
Okay, Adam, I believe you. I need comprehensible input. I need I+1. But where do I find it?
Movies are too hard. Children's cartoons are too boring.
Yes, I don't want to watch Peppa Pig. I'm an adult.
That's why we created Snack English.
Our channel?
Yes. Think about our English daily life moment stories.
The stories about you and me?
Yes. When I write those stories, I follow the rule. I use words you know. I speak clearly.
You do speak slower than the movie actors.
And when I use a hard word, what happens?
I ask, what does this mean?
Exactly. And then I explain it. That explanation makes the input understandable. It makes it comprehensible.
So, watching Snack English is actually better than watching a Hollywood movie?
For learning, yes, 100%. The movie is entertainment. Snack English is comprehensible input.
Wow, I wasted so much time trying to watch movies.
Don't worry, you can watch movies later when you are on step 8 or step 9, but now you need to build the steps.
So, what is the plan for our friends watching now?
The plan is simple. 1. Stop forcing yourself to watch difficult movies. It hurts your motivation. 2. Watch our English daily life moment stories. 3. Listen carefully. Focus on the story.
And guess the new words from the context.
Yes, and step by step, your brain will acquire the language naturally, just like a baby learns.
Does a baby study grammar books?
No, a baby listens to its mother. The mother speaks simply. The mother gives comprehensible input.
I want to learn like a baby. No stress, just stories.
That's the Snack English way.
Thank you, Adam. I feel much better. No more crying over movies.
Good. Now, let's practice. Go watch one of our stories right now.
Yes, check the playlist on the screen.
See you there.
Goodbye.